Well, we're out here at this Roanoke car show, and this little Cavalier just stalled out. Got the old F100. Got a Galaxy. A couple Corvettes. There's a bunch of Corvettes down on the other side. A couple Slingshots. .442 Oldsmobile. It's pretty. S4. You got these old vehicles down here. Yeah, that's great. Got this old Bug. Dig this Dodge. Got my son up there doing the same thing, taking after me. It's a beautiful day for this. Custom Deluxe. That is pretty. We gotta walk down that way.
Yes, it is. He was trying to send him a deep he couldn't. I'm there the wheels now.
How are you?
We're at the Virginia Museum of Natural of Transportation in Roanoke, Virginia. Got a little car show out here. I really like the CTSV with the F100. Corvettes. Those are just gorgeous. This is beautiful.
me $3,000 and it can be yours today.
Mickey's now a salesman.
Huh?
Mickey's now Barry Nelson.
Yep. Nelson Ford? No, it's Owen Ford. We even got piece of shit Chevy Sonics. And Toyota pickups and fucking dryers.
Jack of all trades. Mickey's newest project.
Yeah. It was already partway worked on before I realized this, because people didn't tell me that they sold a transmission out of it after I'd done procured it. Sometimes good up there.
Long bed. Dent side.
Yeah. I had to go slow. Yeah. Playing this trailer ain't the best.
Man, talking shit about my trailer.
Well, I really should have.
Trying to get Mickey's truck unloaded. He's down there trying to crank the tractor. Got the chain hooked up. We're gonna yank this shit off real quick with the tractor. Leave it setting. I don't even know what the fuck he wants to do with it, to be honest. He said something about lowering it. I don't know. I think he just wanted another truck to fuck with, to be honest. Because he don't want to mess with this one. Because it's like original. This one's going to be like a toy. So, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I hear the tractor down there trying to crank, but no sign yet.